It's month 2 of our school's project in Bangladesh. These are strange times since the government has been dramatically ousted and a new caretaker one put in its place. But work still continues in the Maqbul Hussain School thanks to the efforts of our team giving beginner IT skills.
I'm Rakin Rezwan and this is my IT class and they are all of my students.
Remember, these kids come from deprived backgrounds, but have a real drive to learn how things work. We're trying to get the kids to learn filmmaking skills by using a phone camera, although looks like we'll need them to stand just a little bit closer to the microphone next time.
Bolo, jore bolo.
Nice try though, everyone. And back in London, one of our team is preparing videos to show the kids how technology affects our lives. So far, the charity aims are being met and the kids are learning well. Our next aim is to utilize farming areas around the school and film them doing farming projects. Join us next time to see the progress. As ever, get in touch if you want to help donate. A small donation can make a world of difference.